Yep. Hi, good evening, Suyog.
Good evening.
How are you? Hope
Fantastic.
you have some time during the weekend.
Yes, it is amazing.
I'm not, yeah, great.
You seems
but
to
I'm
be...
not going to leave you on the weekend also.
Yeah, no, my weekend is going awesome. Yesterday
Great.
we got blessings of two Jain Munis who are very powerful. They are tapasvi actually, and
Okay.
they invited us, and in front of thousands of people, he praised my techniques of various trainings as well as NLP. And he,
Wow, that's
in
really
front
great.
of all, around 3,000-4,000 people were there, and he said, "Will you teach all of them?" I said, "Yes, it is your
Kya baat hai?
order, then I will have to." So that is
Very nice.
amazing.
So you have been blessed spiritually, and the techniques which you give, the scientific approach. So that's why I said on that day, the science, combination of science and spiritualism. Thank you so much, and I am happy. I'll let our users know that we have a great guide, coach, expert here. So welcome on our Only Positive forum. And today I am going to divert your attention from employee, HR, and all those areas. And I want to find out some input or information from the customer point of view. So we want to touch that angle. So that question, again, I have one question only for today because it's a weekend. We'll keep it short and crisp, and I'll park my questions for later. So my question for today from our viewer point of view is, what will be your input or guidance to leaders or businessmen or entrepreneurs from their target customer point of view, how they should handle things?
Yeah, good question, Amit. I really like the way you are coming up with the questions. So whenever any business owner or any leader come to me and ask me that how I can target my market, and it's been the last many years, and today also in one of the forum, so it's a forum for coaches and trainers. So in that we were discussing about niche area, niche clarity, as well as the target clients. So there were three majorly points they discussed. Is that are you as a person, as a service provider, really enjoying working with them? That is the first criteria should be there. So if there is a joy for you while working with them, there is an inner peace, inner satisfaction while serving with them, then that is a right target group for you. Because people have multiple target groups. So one should always focus where I am getting happiness, whether I am getting satisfaction, inner peace. Second point, we discussed that, are they ready to pay you? Because what happened? There could be possible that you enjoy working with them, but are they in a condition to make you a payment? Are they, do they have capability, as well as they should be willingness to pay? Because country like India, a lot of free knowledge is available, free things are available, and so I know many companies international level, they are not at all interested to do business, and there are a lot of companies are not there in India. We don't know even name of those companies in Indian context, because Indian market is very different. So, but whether it is Indian market or globally, most important criteria is that are those target audience, target people are interested to do the make the payment for that services, capability as well as interest. And third is it profitable to them? Because one may be interested to give a service, they are also interested to take the service, but is there a really value addition happening? And if those three criteria are met, I think that is the right. And two more points added by me, and it has given clarity to some of the coaches. How big is the market size or that group size? Because if you have enough size of the market, then only there is a point in investing so much time, efforts. Because if it is too small to survive as a service provider, then person may not grow as a financial or various other way. So we have a reasonable size of the market or group, one should look forward to solve them. And fifth and most important point is that, are they a decision maker or for that investment? Like if somebody is offering a service as a coach or as a business owner or any way, is it really the people whom they are approaching, are they really decision maker? Do they have enough network? Because what happens sometimes, people have various target group and they are confused at which target group I should consider. So while deciding that target group, one should keep in mind, okay, my network is with people who are decision maker or people who are just not decision maker, but they need a services. And if I have enough time to reach out to the decision maker, my network is sufficient, then I should go with those target group. That's what I consistently share. Of course, there are many other points one can look into it, but right now broadly
These are the
for
4 points.
our theme of discussion, I think these are the 5 points one should.
We'll
do. One
stick to
is,
these points.
are you really enjoying with this target audience? Are they ready to pay you?
Correct.
Is it profitable for them? Like, is it a value addition happening? And how big is the market or group? And are they decision maker for that investment, or are they in a position to decide about the product? So these are the 5 points one should look forward.
Great. You have given one important point of happiness. It's not just about making money, but end of the day you should be happy. So for our viewers, that will be really important. Thinking out of money context. And I want the closure of today's closure topic or closure quote.
Yeah, my quote you already mentioned, and that's what the theme was. That first and foremost criteria to decide the target audience is look for inner peace, look for inner happiness. If you are enjoying working with them, then you are going to give them value addition. You're going to perform best. Your performance will be at peak. So always look for inner joy, inner peace. If you are you are offering any service to any client, or you are offering any product to the client. That's what I want to say.
Thank you, Suyogji, and thank you from our viewers' point of view also. Please be coming on our Only Positive Forum time and again, and thank you for coming always. So the message for the weekend is find your inner happiness or inner peace. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, and have a nice weekend.
Yeah, thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot for your efforts.